Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am Brittany, aka Beautifoles. For today's look, I wanted to keep it nice and smoky and sexy and fun and anything you would need for Valentine's Day, essentially. I, of course, used my Crease Piece to create this look. If you would like to learn how I achieved this look, please keep watching. If you liked what you saw, you know the deal. Give it a big thumbs up below, subscribe below, comment below. If you have any requests for future videos, go ahead and leave that down in the comment section below as well. Oh my gosh, I literally just felt like Busta Rhymes. Anyways, that's about it. I will see you guys at the end. I really hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you at the end. Bye. Alright, so I am going to start off my eyes by prepping it with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And I'm using very minimal product and just buffing it out onto the lid. Then I'm going to take a tiny bit of foundation, and I am just going to blend it out on my lid. This way my lid color is going to be seamless with my foundation color. Of course, next I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to just set my lid in place. Okay, now that my eyes are all prepped and I already did more of a classic Valentine's Day look with the red lip, kind of more of a bright eye, I'm gonna now switch it up and do something a little bit more sexy and sultry. I want to do a bit of like a smoky cut crease, nice nude lip, and just keep it super hot, you know? So of course I am going to use my Crease Piece to create this look. I am going to use my almond crease. I feel like almond hasn't really been getting a lot of love from me recently, but I still love that shape just as much as all of the others, so I'm going to use that one today. So just really quickly, if you guys haven't seen my other videos regarding the Crease Piece, you get 6 crease attachments. You get a right and a left, round, almond, and wing. So today I am using the almond. I am going to start with my right eye. On the back of each crease there is an adhesive which will let you attach the crease to the handle, and it's protected by a clear little film. We do include replacement covers that are actually white. They say Crease Piece on the back just in case you lose that clear film, but in the event that you lose both, the adhesive on these are reusable and washable. So you just kind of rub it gently under warm water and it will reactivate the adhesive. So the more you know, right? So I just took the adhesive cover off the back. I apply the handle right back there, kind of press it on, and now I am ready for my eyeshadow application. So really quickly I'll show you the colors that I am going to start with and the brushes I'm going to start with, and throughout the application I'll show you when I switch colors and brushes. Okay, so placement is super important. I am just going to line it up with my natural crease, and that's where I am going to apply the crease piece and the shadow over on top. I get a lot of questions about if you have hooded eyes, how this would work. Hooded eyes, you would just, or even mono lids, you would just apply the crease to either above your natural crease or where you want the crease to be, and then by applying the shadows, you are going to be creating depth and the crease shape that you actually desire. So for this look, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. What other palette would be appropriate for a nice sultry sexy look besides for the Sultry palette? Duh. So I'm gonna pick up on this. And then I'm just going to pick up on a clean brush just to diffuse the edges. And it's okay to extend it past the crease, just because when you go in and clean up with a makeup remover wipe, that will all get washed away anyways. You just want to make sure that it's nice and blended. And before I remove the crease, I always like to wipe off the makeup just to keep it nice and clean with a makeup wipe. And I always recover the adhesive just to avoid needing to wash it. And now I'm ready for the next side, so I'm just going to speed really quickly with that. Next, I'm going to take a flat brush in the color Fresh, and I'm going to just pack it onto my lid. And I want to concentrate this color just on the inner half. Then I want to pick back up on that color Birch from before, and this is just the brush that I was using to buff out the crease without any product on it. But now I'm putting product on it, and I am just going to blend this out into the outer corner. And again, it's okay to blend kind of like on the outer portion of your eye because we haven't cleaned it up yet. I move around so much when I film, it's crazy. And then I am going to pick up on this tone Ember. And again, I'm just going to pack it right over kind of that area that I just placed and buffed out that color. Next, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner, and I am just going to tightly rim my lash line. And I am going to wing it out. And now I am just going to take a makeup remover wipe and go right up against that edge, really sharpen that wing. And then I am going to take the Benefit Bad Gal Bang eyeliner, and I am going to rim right underneath my upper lash line. Next, I am going to apply my mascara to my lashes. And really quickly, I am going to apply my lashes off camera, and then we'll move on to my face. Next, I'm going to take the NARS Sheer Glow in Medium 4 Barcelona, and I am just going to apply it to my face. Next, I'm going to take the Tom Ford Intensity 1 Shade and Illuminate, and I'm going to pick up on that contour color and contour my face. I don't know why I completely forgot to film this part, but right now I just applied my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealers underneath my eyes. I used honey and custard, and then I put it down the center of my nose and in the center of my forehead as well. Then I'm going to take my Beauty Blender and I'm just going to blend it all out. Then I am going to mix my Givenchy and Laura Mercier translucent setting powders. The Givenchy one has a bit of a pink undertone, so I am going to mix that with the Laura Mercier for underneath my eyes, and then over my whole face I am going to just dust the Laura Mercier. Then I am going to take my Benefit Hoola Bronzer, and I am just going to contour my face a bit. I'm going to go right over where I applied that cream contour just to further define. And then I am just going to take a little fluffy brush and go right up against my nose contour as well. Next, I am going to take the Patrick Ta Beauty blush in She's Sincere. And I'm just applying this right on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm bringing it up kind of high for that Makeup by Ardell, Kylie Jenner type look, you know. Next, I'm going to take the NARS Orgasm Illuminator, and with the back of my Beauty Blender, I am just going to apply it right to the high points of my cheeks. And then I am going to take the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Double Take. And I'm just going to apply it to the high points. Again. Next, I'm going to take the Patrick Ta liner in She's Strong. Then I am going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Penelope Pink lipstick. And then right in the center, I am going to use the Buxom Buff Lip Foundation. And then to top it all off, I am going to use the NARS Stripped Lip Cream. Alright guys, you made it to the end. I really hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, you know the deal. Give it a big thumbs up below, subscribe below, comment below. If you have any requests for future videos, go ahead and leave that down in the comment section below as well. Before you get out of here, be sure to follow me on all my social. Be sure to follow Crease Piece on all of its social. I have listed all of that down in the description box, so check it out. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.